Welcome to the channel. In this class I am explaining about vector area. Generally area in different ways for different polygons or some other things, geometrical figures. But here we are discussing about area of vector. What is the area of vector? What is the difference between general area and area of vector? Same thing, but here you can mention the direction. But in normally, suppose area of triangle half into base into height, okay. But here you can mention direction, that is clockwise or anti-clockwise. That is difference between normal area and vector area. That's all. Okay. So vector area is nothing but see here. This is a closed curve. What is closed curve? Closed curve is nothing but starting and ending point are same. Yes or not? Suppose the curve starts from here and goes through this direction, in this direction, and comes to here and ends here. So starting and ending point are same. That is closed curve. Yes or not? Starting point and ending point are same. That means this is closed curve C. Also, D is a plane. This is a plane. What is a plane? Anything is a plane which contains some space. Yes or not? Which contains some directions, XYZ or XY plane or XYZ plane. Okay? So different planes are there. But this is plane D in the closed curve D. So the plane contains closed curve D, and P1, P2, P3 are points passing through the curve in the anti-clockwise direction. You know what is clockwise, what is anti-clockwise? This is anti-clockwise direction. This is clockwise direction. Okay? This is anti-clockwise direction. So here the points are moving along the curve in the anti-clockwise direction. This one. But here the points are moving along the curve in the clockwise direction. That is the difference between these two curves, closed curves. Okay? D is a plane here. Here also D is a plane. Here also P1, P2, 3 are points. Here also P1, P2, 3 are points. But the difference between these two curves is this is anti-clockwise direction, this is clockwise direction. Okay. N is a unit vector. N is a unit vector. You know about unit vector. So in this unit vector, this is positive direction. This is negative, that's all. This is plus n, this is minus n. That is the difference between clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Okay? Now, how to define the vector area? See here, D is a plane, definition. D is a plane. D is a plane containing the closed curve C. Already you know about closed curve. Starting and ending point are same in closed curve. Okay. P1, P2 and P3 are the points moving along the curve in the anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. So B is a plane. If A is the area of the region D, area is D of A. Area is A of D. Okay? Of the region D. Then the area of the vector is AN. That's all. Okay? So this is the vector area. Actually, area of a triangle is nothing but half into base into height. Area of circle pi r square, and area of square is a square. Area of rectangle length into breadth. But there is no n in those areas. But here n is there. Why? Because that is unit vector. That is difference between the normal geometrical figure vectors and vector area. Please observe this carefully. Okay? Now this is for circle. This circle. That means in anticlockwise direction. If in the clockwise direction, if the points are moving in the clockwise direction, then the area is minus an. Okay, that is the difference between clockwise and anticlockwise. If clockwise is minus an and anticlockwise is an, those are differences between the clockwise and anticlockwise directions. Simple. In geometrical figures, there is no direction, only magnitude is there. Here, magnitude and direction also there in vector area, in vectors. Yes or not? Simply, a line segment containing a magnitude and a direction is called vector. But in the general normal figures, that is rectangle or circle or square or some, whatever it may be, tetrahedron, whatever it is. But there is no direction, only magnitude is there in those geometrical figures. But here in vectors, direction is also there. That is why we are taking unit vector n. So these two are different areas comes in vector area. That is the difference between areas of geometrical figures and normal and vector area. Okay. See here, vector area of triangle. Actually, area of triangle is nothing but half into base into height. Okay. Here some difference is there. What is the difference? Please see here, this is a triangle ABC, and here angle is A. Okay, BC. Okay. Now n is unit vector. ABC is a triangle. Here from the figure, ABC is a triangle. Okay, ABC is a triangle. Here A, B, C are vertices of a triangle, and A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle. ABC are vertices of a triangle. Okay. Now, what is the direction of the triangle? This is anticlockwise. Okay, this is anticlockwise direction. Now, point starting from A. Let us take starting point is A. Goes through B and goes through C and comes to C. That is closed triangle. The vertices of the triangle ABC are in anticlockwise direction. Okay, anticlockwise direction. But how you say this is closed curve? What is the difference between circle and this triangle? Simply, actually in circle you can take it as this one, and this is anticlockwise direction, but this is different from that region. Why? Because this closed curve moving along the curve, along the circle, whatever it is. But here in this triangle, the closed curve is AB, union BC CA. Now AB is aligned, BC is aligned, CA also aligned. Those are in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, let del be the area of a triangle ABC. Okay, now let n be the unit vector in the direction of AB cross AC. Why you are taking cross means there is no height now. Actually, area of triangle is nothing but half into base into height. Height is there, but here there is no height. Only directions are there. That is closed triangle. Okay. Now that's why you are taking AB cross AC. Okay. Therefore, area equals to, that is, del be the area of triangle. Del equals to half into AB AC sin A. Okay. A cross B equals to A B sin A. Okay. Why? Because your angle is A. Now, therefore, del n equals to half AB AC sin A n. That's all. Del into n, this one. Half of mod AB mod AC sin A into n of AB cross AC. This is the area of the triangle. Okay. Therefore, area of triangle equals to half into AB cross AC. Why? Because AB cross AC equals to mod EB mod AC sin A. This is the formula, you know this. Okay. That's why we are taking this one. Now, the vector area of parallelogram, very important, this one. This is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Okay. AC and BD are diagonals. AC and BD are diagonals. Okay. AC and BD are diagonals. Okay. Now, these vertices of a parallelogram are in moving clockwise direction. The vertices A, B, C, D are moving in the clockwise direction. How do you say? Please observe carefully here. This is clockwise direction. OA, nothing but in this direction. Yes. OB, nothing but in this direction. Same manner, OC is nothing but in this direction. Also, OD is nothing but in this direction. In this way, all are moving in the clockwise direction. This one, and this one, and this one. Okay? Regarding diagonals, what are diagonals now? AC and BD. AC and BD are diagonals. The area of parallelogram regarding the diagonals, the area of parallelogram regarding the diagonals AC and BD is of AC cross BD. AC cross BD, that's all. Okay? Of AC cross BD of AC means AB plus BC cross BD BA plus AD. Okay? Now of AB cross BA plus AB cross AD plus BC cross BA plus BC cross AD. Okay? Now of this is 0. Why? Because I cross I equals to 0. AB cross AD plus minus CB cross BA plus 0. Since AB cross BA equals to 0, also BC cross AD equals to, BC means what? AD. AD cross AD equals to 0. Yes or not? BC is nothing but AD in parallelogram. That is why BC is nothing but AD. AD cross AD 0, because I cross I equals to 0. Now of AB cross AD. Here I write this one as BA cross CB is equals to of AB into AD plus of BA is nothing but CD cross CB. Okay? Of into AB into AD. AB into AD means vector area of triangle ABD. Okay? Vector area of ABD plus vector area of CDB is nothing but vector area of parallelogram ABCD. Okay? Vector area of the parallelogram ABCD. That's all. Okay? Vector area of ABD and vector area of CDB is nothing but vector area of parallelogram. Okay? In this way you can find the vector area of parallelogram. Okay guys? Vector area of triangle, vector area of parallelogram. Please practice this. Remember carefully. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share it. Thank you.